I'm an average Pinterest user. Over time, I saved a ton of architectural images across different boards, and I want to take those images and boil them down into a single mood board that helps nail down the right aesthetic and design direction. Click the plus icon and select Add Photos and Files. Upload all the reference images you want to pull into your interior design mood board. Keep in mind your upload limit depends on which ChatGPT plan you're on. So if you've got a big Pinterest collection, you might need to trim it down or upload in batches. Copy and paste the prompt linked in the description below. This one has no fillable fields, so just hit send when you're ready. Here's the output. Now that we've got a mood board, or maybe you're bringing one over from another project, here's how to turn it into an actual architectural rendering. Start a new chat and upload your mood board image. Copy and paste the prompt linked below. Again, no fillable fields, and hit send. Here's what came back. Say I want this mood board applied to the living room of my dreams. New chat again. This time I'm uploading two images, the living room and the mood board. One important thing, make sure the living room image, the one you want the furniture populated into, goes first in the chat box before the mood board image. Order matters here. Then copy and paste the prompt link below and hit send. Here's the result. Which of these living room interiors do you like most? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.